Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on location service on Microsoft Edge browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on location service on Microsoft Edge browser, click on three dot icon on upper right corner, click on settings, click on cookies and site permissions, scroll down. Under all permissions, you will find location. Click on location and ask before accessing. The location service is turned off right now. Just click here to turn it on. Now, location service is turned on. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.